Good morning. Today we'd like to connect our heat pump in parallel and with the storage tank in series and take the measurement, the water temperature inside the heat pump to the heat pump, to the storage tank, to the heat pump, and inside the storage, what is the water temperature. So now we turn the heat pump on, it's around half an hour. So let's see what the temperature inside. So here is the controller. We just put outside for easier display. And now we press 2 buttons for 5 seconds until this logo on. And we put to D underscore NO and enter. And NO0, that is the water temperature inside the storage tank, and the measurement point is something like in the middle of the storage tank. And N01, that is the water temperature out inside the heat pump is going to flow to the water tank. That is 63 degrees Celsius. NO2, that is the water temperature flow to the heat pump, 22 degrees Celsius. And NO3, that is the heat pump discharge temperature. That is something related to refrigerant, and also the piping. And one more thing we'd also like to consider, that is a NO6, that is the ambient temperature. So it looked like now the water temperature inside the heat pump is 63 degrees Celsius. So it's around 147 degrees Fahrenheit. So I would say now the performance of the heat pump is within our specification. Thank you.